Then your guide says, stay where you are. Being on what you came is safe swimming position. That's whereby you go down on your back, feet up, face down to bend your knees. In case you get washed to the side, you can use your feet to push away from the rock.
Oh, it's like, over the can still, but.
Say hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Ahoy!
Ahoy!
This is our rocket number 4, the morning journey or the wake up call.
Freeze, shoes, put down, bit around, put hey. I see.
I've got time in it, then it's
Ranger.
coming down, side, this is our Steelers. It's the right turn now, bring one set to the rocket number 5 mistake. You have it on the highway. See how its speed is kicking. And one tight end, that's your sight. This is our chance leading way. This is our program critter. Just a kick off those whips. And I enjoy the running. And anyway, that's that Johnson and Steve. our progress. On the menu, there is the start track. Alright there. Alright, you remember here, that's the march well. On my right, you've got the easy Kentucky Fried Chicken. Which way you guys wanna go? Now we've got NS taking the easy one. Taking the easy one as well. This is our program in the studio, second easy. Super.
Hey, baby, ahoy, ahoy.
Such a rapid number 13 is known as the mother. If you don't respect your mother from this one, it's gonna catch you. And even the way that Johnson is clean.
Keep laughing. One day you wish you had it. Other people on fire, fire. Maybe it's time they meet their dragon. If you're gonna hold me down,
And this is our target.
you're not gonna let me in into your castle walls. None of you can keep them. 'Cause if I gotta burn it all down, burn it all down.
Now we're looking at that NS.
Oh my, look at who ends up bigger this time. And if I gotta break it all down, then let's break it all down. Bye, playing with fire and we'll burn it all.
And keep down the mic, Zambezi. We're now finding ourselves such a rapid number 18 as our last major rapid. We call it by the name the Oblivion. There's nothing much to worry about, guys. Let's just keep our bells wet and I have fun. James leading the way.
This is where the bruises come from. This is when the game gets ugly. These blood, sweat, tears keep running. Licking my plate.
Sorry, that's NS.
So hungry. Keep talking. Keep laughing. One day you'll see what happens. Other people on fire, fire. It's about time they meet.
was your trip?
Perfect.
Perfect, thank you.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Hello, how was it?
Amazing.
Amazing, thank you. Anything to say about your trip there? How was it?
That's very nice.
Very nice. Good. Any comment there? How was it?
Super.
Super.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Thank you. Hello.
Thank you.
Good. Hello.
Thank you.
You survived the Zambezi. How was it?
Fine.
Fine. Hello. How was it? Fantastic. Hello there. How was your ride?
Yeah, awesome.
Sam, anything to say? How was
Hello.
it? Hello.
Very nice.
Very nice. Good.
Hello.
Finally, you made it.
Yeah.
How was the day?
Wet.
Wet. Nice one. Good. Hello.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Enjoy. Hello. Let us know about the day. How was it? Good. Anything to say there? How was it?
Awesome.
Awesome day. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yep.
How was it?
How was it? You made it. You survived the
Yeah,
river. Anything
no,
to
I
say?
did.
How was it?
It was fantastic.
Fantastic.
Do it again, don't worry.
Good. Thank you. Yeah, from you. Anything to say there? How was it?
It was amazing.
Amazing day.
Very
Zambezi
nice.
survivor.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very much.
Thank you. It's you again. How was it there? Awesome day.
We survived.
You survived.
Hello, hello.
Hello. How was it?
Overnight on a washing machine. It was fantastic. We enjoyed it. The captain was a good captain.
Oh, cool.
Enjoy.
Thank you.